The drone itself, you can see here, there is two, actually this is GNSS connection in RTK included. It's a built-in RTK drone. RTK, real-time kinematic, that it can connect it to the base station of the RTK to give you a more precise to the level of centimeter accuracy for flight, for taking picture and finding the object. Also, it has a two antenna in the front that it's for the connection to the antenna and for the connection to the RC. One of the good features with this drone is that is ranked as or rated as a IP55. That it means it's connected, it's resistance to the wind, to humidity, to wet, to snow, and all this is waterproof. So it gives you a chance and opportunity to fly it through the rainy weather and when it's wet or snowy. Also the RC is also it's waterproof. I'm gonna to give you more again to each function, to each button here in the drone. You can see the catalog behind me from the DJI, and there is a two indicator light here in the front, two indicator light in the back. When they are green, it means that the drone is ready for flight. You can also see the arm, and in the front there is a first person view camera. This is the camera incorporated to the body, and always is showing you where the drone is going the forward way. Also there is a gimbal here. It has a camera, a zoom camera, thermal camera, and also a wide camera. So this one that covered with the green label is a laser range finder. I take it out because it's very sensitive when it comes from the company. They cover it because it shouldn't be any dirt or something on it. So this laser range finder give you a chance to detect, to follow up, to find the object to the distance of 1200 meters. The 4 camera incorporated here, it gives the drone that possibility that when recording or taking picture from any mission you have, it gives you 4 versions of the same object. So it gives you the thermal, it gives you the wide, it gives you the zoom camera, and you can change between each of the option to see better or a different view of the object. Also, it has in the front 2 infrared sensor, 2 vision sensor here, and also in the back it has also 2 infrared here, 2 vision sensor here, and also a vent for the keeping air go inside to keep the drone cold. And these 2 lag here, the orange one, is when you keep it like this, you can release the battery. So the battery is here. The battery is not included in the drone when it's come from the DJI. You have to purchase it separately. But the good things with this drone is that when you insert one battery here, you can see I keep this latch here instead of the battery. If the drone is on, you don't need to turn it off. Even if with one battery, it keeps on, and you can change or put the new battery inside, and you don't need to turn it off. This is one nice feature of this drone, that every time you want to change the battery, you don't need to turn off the drone. So from the under, you can see there is 2 again infrared sensor. There is 2 auxiliary and 1 beacon light here. This light turn on when the light is low, you suppose you fly late afternoon, or when it's dark, or when the light is not enough, this turn on, and also these sensors are helping the drone for landing. If you see from on the top of the drone, you can see again the beacon light here, and also there is 2 slots here for connecting PDSK, the payload, and also 1 connection for connecting to the computer or to any device for transferring and receiving for transferring the information. This one is for the payload one. Payload something like you can use a flashlight, or some here. You can use the flashlight, or you can use a speaker, or for some other drone you can use even the gas detector. The 4 screw here you can see, and the screw is included in the box. You can actually with the bracket, with the bracket you can have your payload attached to the drone. Something about this from the side. If you want to look to the side, both sides almost the same. The only difference here, you have the micro SD card slot here, and for the micro SD card I have here, it's better to use the one with the UHS high speed and with the version 3 or after. You cannot use the normal micro SD card you have it is in market, because the quality of the picture and video is totally dependent to use the very high quality of the micro SD card. Also, to the maximum capacity you can go is 128 gigabyte. The drone has six directional obstacle sensing, 2 in the front and back, both sides, top and the bottom, you can see, and both the infrared one and the vision one, they involve in the obstacle sensing. The angle and the distance that you can that the drone can detect the obstacle, it difference. I have a slide here. You can see it from the monitor on the computer. From 0.5 to 30 meters is the range that the obstacle can be detected by this drone. Something about the propeller. The time you want to change or replace the propeller, the things is that you have to be careful of look at the solid arc shape on the drone. If there is a solid one like this, go to the cross of each other, and these two, it is not solid color, so they go in this direction, cross each other. And also something I forgot to tell you, the RTK, you have it here, are a little bit higher than the antenna and the motor here, because then it shows that there is no any interfere with the RTK working. For the drone itself, this is the button to turn off, turn on after I insert the battery, and I can turn it on, you can see.